How to turn off inverted colors on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your device. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the Accessibility option and tap on it. Accessibility helps you control your phone more easily and provide equal opportunities for everyone. Go to the Vision section at the top and tap on Display and Text Size. On this page, you can adjust various display settings to improve readability. Scroll down to find the invert options at the bottom. As you can see, the Classic Invert feature is currently turned on. Classic Invert reverses all the colors of the display. Now, simply tap on the switch beside it to turn it off. Following these steps, you can easily turn off inverted colors on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.